Hey guys, it's Yvette and I have my Project Sweetwater box and I'm so excited to open it. All of our boxes pretty much are coming late all the time, and you know, by this point they're like sort of like set late, and so they're pretty much feeling like they're coming like they're supposed to, right? The thing about the Project Sweetwater box is it's quarterly. So we've been waiting a little bit for this one because we all know that not animal crackers. My goodness. My animal crackers was back there. This is spring chicken. In fact, it's spring chicken, poor little chicken. He's been so late that Sweetwater is calling him like summer chicken. Because it's literally like 2 months, 3 months late. Really, it's just crazy. Let's get it open. We've waited long enough, right? Okay, so let's pop it open. I'm very excited about getting this because I love the spring chicken. Okay, so their little card inside, it says, "Finally, we know it's been a long wait, but spring chicken is here. We thank you for your patience. COVID has affected so many parts of our lives, and everything involved with fabric production is no exception. We are crossing our fingers a more normal production schedule comes quickly." They do give us 15% off an order. If you want to go and order, there's a code. And they tell us that our next box is going to have Red Barn in it. I'm very excited for Red Barn Christmas. It's going to be, I've seen it, it's gorgeous. You guys are going to love it. So stay tuned for that one in the next quarter. And inside, I'm going to show you the fabric after. So I'm going to pull that to the side. We do have a little sucker, so if you like a little bit of sweets, we got one like that. Okay, let me just pull everything out and then I'll start looking through it. All right. Okay, so these are all the projects. They will put them all in a little booklet, and just everything that's on the outside is pretty much the projects that are on the inside. And let's get that open. Okay. The first thing we have are spring chicken mug mats, and those are so super cute. There's the finished project. Those are super cute. Okay, for those, okay, so you either do the chicken or you do the flower, and they tell you that you need like charm squares, fusible web, some embroidery floss, a background fabric, some backing and batting and binding, and then bada boom, bada bing, you got a mug rug. They're calling them mug mats. You got a mug mat. Okay, then the next thing, oh, well, these are the templates for the mug mats. So they'll give you a set of templates. Always remember that if you are going to make a project again, or if you think you might make a project again, you want to make a photocopy of these so that you have it for the future. Or I guess you could just wing it next time. I don't know, whatever you want. But I would make a copy if I were you. Okay. The next project is a spring table runner. It says you'll need 3 fat quarters of a print fabric, 1 fat quarter for the binding. The backing will need 20 inches by the width of fabric, and batting 20 inches by 42 inches. And here is the project right there. That's what it would look like. It looks like a very simple project. It looks like it would go together pretty quickly. Okay. And the next project is a Mayday Basket. That is super cute. And again, you'll have, they want you to cut one of those for the outside and one for the lining. So I would make a copy of that as well. You will need 1 piece of fabric, 8. How do you get an 8 out of 3? You'll need one piece of fabric that is 3.5 inches by 13.25 inches. For the lining, you'll need one piece of fabric that is 5.5 inches by 13.25 inches. The handle requires one piece of fabric that is 3 inches by 9 inches. And then you'll need some batting and some small buttons. And that'll be to your taste. And here is the cute little basket when it's done. I mean, it'll look like that if you choose those fabrics. You could choose others if you'd like. Okay, and then they're still having their Sweetwater sew along, and this is box number 3, and they're making the little houses. So you will need some cream background fabric, some print fabric scraps, some fusible web, and some black embroidery floss to make the little houses. And they're templates, so I would make a copy if I were you. Okay, so those are the projects. And let's look what we have in these little bags. So this one is a piece of, this is the fabric that you can use for the houses. They've been sending like the cream fabric, and then you can put the other stuff on top of that. I'm pretty sure these are for the houses. I mean, I think we get these like every month for the houses. And then I think these might be labels. Yes. Oh my goodness, I love all of them. Look how cute. We have the little chicken that says cluck cluck. We have the a banner with happy on it. Life is sweet, and I love these little butterflies. So freaking cute. Oh, I love them. I love their labels. Thank you so much. Those are so cute. Okay, so now the fabric. We have a charm pack of spring chicken. And let me see. Now I do still have some spring chicken in my Etsy shop. And I think I might have some pre-cuts. I think I might have. So if you want more or anything like that, I might have some. Either me or Stephanie, I'm sure one of us has them. And then we also have been given, is this 7 fat quarters? 7 fat quarters. I will pop them open. I'll show you which ones we got. Whoop. Very cute. Okay, you guys, I love this collection. Like, you have no idea. I just love it so much. So we have some little chickens on a gray background. These are like little chicken footprints. It's their little feet. I think that's what they're supposed to be, but it's super cute either way. Either way, whatever you want to call them, I love it. This is a tiny stripe. And this is with the gray. I think I have some yardage of the multicolor one. And this is their yellow gingham, so pretty. And this is the white Cheerios. I think I have a multicolor Cheerios, so these are like a white on white. And these are like, this is probably what they're really calling like the little chicken feet, but I just like how if you look close enough, they sort of look like little hearts. Or if you look, maybe if you sit it back far enough, maybe that's what I'm thinking, is that they almost look like little hearts. I think it's so cute. See what I mean? I don't know, I love it, I really do. And the flowers. This is like one of my favorites in the line. I love it. I love this print. I'm so happy we got some of that. Okay, so I'll scooch that over and I will go through the spring chicken line. I think I might have already before on another video, but we'll go through it again in case you haven't seen it. So these are all the fabrics that are in the collection. And there are a lot of fabrics in this collection, so there will not be very many repeats. Oh, there's a repeat. I'm glad it's the flowers. Tiny yellow stripe. Yellow Cheerios. Yellow with the chicken. Cluck, cluck. Oh, come on. Those are the little chicken feet. Our little chicken hearts. There's that yellow gingham. Okay, they're the fabric with the words. I love it. I love all fabric with words. This one, it's so, oh, if you see like the entire bolt with like all of it going down, it's just gorgeous. So we've got a white with a little gray chicken, little gray chicken feet, gray Cheerios, gray with yellow chickens, a gray stripe, gray flower. We already got two of those. Those are just little diamonds. There's the fabric with words in gray. That one's upside down. Sorry about that. Gray gingham. Oops. Green with little chickens. Huh, okay, can't get them apart. Come apart. White with little green chicken feet / chicken hearts. Green with the flowers. Nice flower toss. Ooh, we got two of those. See, I think we're getting two of the flowers. I'm liking that. These are the diamonds. Green tiny stripe. I'm also calling these little chicken feet. I don't know. I just think it's cute. Whatever it is, I love this design. And there is a green with the words. And green with white chicken feet or chicken hearts. We've got the green gingham. And again, with the multicolor flowers, I love it. And I think we got two of those. Please, let's have two of those. Yep, two of those. And we have pink with words. And, oh, this one's cute. The multicolor diamonds. I love everything multicolor. And the little feet with the pink on pink is nice too. Anything with pink is nice. This is that multi-stripe. I have some of that, if you like it. I think that the stripes are really good for binding. And there we go, pink with little white chicken feet. And some multicolored Cheerios. I have that one too. And there's some pink diamond. And a multicolored little chicken feet. And finally, we have a pink gingham, and that one does go out. It just got folded under right there. There we go. Okay, so that's the whole line for spring chicken. And that was the box. I would love to know what you guys think. Do you guys love spring chicken as much as I do? Oh my goodness. I just love the spring chicken. I would have loved to have been able to afford to get the whole collection like in yardage. I would have loved that, but they just have so many different ones. So I have a select few in my shop if you'd like to go and check them out. But I know it can't possibly be for everybody, but I love the spring chicken. For me, it was totally worth the wait. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Any opinions or comments are welcome as long as everyone's being nice, which mostly everybody always is. So I'm very thankful for that. And I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.